Make sure to stay until the end. One common mistake people sometimes make, and I've seen it in person, will destroy your engine. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Charger and you want to know where ignition coil on cylinder number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 are located. Let's say you get an engine light and code for ignition coil number 6. You need to find out exactly where it's located. Or let's say cylinder number 3. How do you know if it's on this cylinder here, on that one? All that will be covered in this video today. Also we will explain about a common mistake sometimes people can make when replacing ignition coils on that cylinder head right here that can practically destroy your engine. So make sure to stay until the end and we'll explain what it is. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make, guys, at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. On that Dodge Charger we'll have even more. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos, absolutely free. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Charger or any car, you want to get them at a good price and quick shipping, you want to save money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tool supplies from, and we'll share where you can find even additional things. So what we have specifically here, 2018 Dodge, that's a 3.6 guys engine right here, 3.6 Pentastar engine. It's quite guys common engine on Dodge Chargers. It's the most popular engine, by the way. So now talking about cylinder order, ignition coil numbers and all that stuff. Let's say you guys have check engine light and code P0353, right? 353. 353 indicates bad ignition coil on cylinder number 3. The last digit of the code is corresponding to the cylinder number. But how do you know if it's 1, 2, 3 that coil, or if it goes that way, 1, 2, 3? So it could be that or that. So that's why you will need to know that, so you can replace the correct one. Also, if you have a bad ignition coil, we have a video about symptoms of bad ignition coil and how to test ignition coil on Dodge Charger, which is very easy, and you'll be able to find out if yours is good or bad. So with that being said, what we have here specifically, if you start on the very left side of your engine, okay, and make sure to stay until the end, we'll talk about common mistakes too. Starting on the very first, on the very left side of the engine facing your Dodge Charger. Right here is cylinder number 1, so that's ignition coil number 1. Ignition coil number 2, after that, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see, guys, that's how they go. So if you have seen code for ignition coil number, cylinder number 3, it's that one here, 1, 2, 3. That's the one that you need to check. These 3 are accessible for cylinder 1, 3 and 5. Without removing the upper intake manifold and all that stuff. But for actually 2, 4 and 6 you need to remove the upper intake manifold. If you do that, replace these gaskets. If you don't replace them, that could lead, guys, to really big headache later, because you can develop a vacuum leak that can lead to lean fuel mixture misfires, codes for misfire, codes for lean fuel mixture on certain engine side, codes for bad oxygen sensors. It could be a headache to fix. You can experience rough idle, unstable engine operation, all that stuff in addition to that too, and you will not be able to pass emissions. Another thing, always be very careful not to drop tools, parts or anything here, socket, bolts, because if you do, you will go in the valves, you'll start the engine and you will destroy it. I've seen it, guys. It's an ugly thing. Okay, your heart skips a beat when that happens, because you know that you either bent a valve, and if you went around the valve, you maybe messed up the piston, engine box, cylinder head, and you will need the engine rebuilt or replaced. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.